Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Pixel from Facebook Business Manager. If you need to remove a Pixel connection inside Meta's business tools, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the settings area, find the correct data source, and disconnect the asset cleanly. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct business account in Meta Business Suite, since many users manage more than one account, and it's easy to make changes in the wrong place. Start by opening Meta Business Suite. This is the main dashboard where you manage your business assets, campaigns, and settings. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right business environment. That's especially important if your account has access to multiple businesses, ad accounts, or data sources. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This will open the Business Settings area, which is where Meta organizes permissions, assets, integrations, and tracking tools. If you don't immediately see the option, give the menu a quick scan, since the layout can sometimes vary slightly depending on your account view. Inside Settings, click Data Sources. This section contains the different tracking and data-related assets connected to your business, including pixels. Think of this as the place where Meta stores the tools that collect website and event data for your advertising and analytics. From there, click Data and Pixels. This opens the area specifically related to pixel management. Here, you should be able to see the pixel associated with your business. Make sure you select the correct one before continuing, especially if your business has more than one pixel set up for different websites or projects. Once you're in the Pixel Details area, click Connected Assets. This section shows which assets are currently linked to that pixel. For example, you may see ad accounts, business assets, or other connections that rely on this data source. Now find the connection you want to remove and click Disconnect. This action removes the selected asset from the Pixel's Connected Assets list. Take a moment to review what you're disconnecting before confirming, since removing a connection can affect tracking, reporting, or campaign optimization tied to that pixel. After the disconnect is complete, it's a good idea to double check that the asset no longer appears in the Connected Assets section. That helps confirm the change was successful. And that's it. You've now removed the Pixel connection from Facebook Business Manager through Meta Business Suite.